Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a smart mirror with Amazon Alexa, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and materials for your smart mirror installation. You'll need a smart mirror kit, which typically includes a two-way mirror, a smart display, and mounting hardware. Additionally, have a drill, a screwdriver, a level, and measuring tape on hand. Start by choosing the perfect location for your smart mirror. Ensure the area has access to a power outlet for the smart display. Next, measure the wall space where you'll install the mirror. Mark the dimensions of the mirror on the wall using a pencil. Now, use a level to ensure your markings are straight. Once your markings are clear, it's time to prepare the wall. If the wall is drywall, locate the studs for secure mounting. Use a drill to create pilot holes where the mounting hardware will go. After drilling, attach the mounting brackets securely to the wall. Double-check with a level to confirm the brackets are straight. Now, it's time to set up the smart display that will go behind the mirror. Carefully unpack the smart display from your kit. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect the smart display to power. Once plugged in, power on the display to ensure it's functioning properly. Next, prepare the two-way mirror by cleaning both sides thoroughly. Carefully place the mirror over the smart display, aligning it with the mounting brackets. Secure the mirror to the brackets using the provided hardware. Confirm that the mirror is securely in place and sits flush against the wall. Now, connect the smart display to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Log into your Amazon account or create a new one if needed. Add your smart display to the Alexa app by following the on-screen instructions. Customize your Alexa settings, such as creating routines or connecting smart home devices. Finally, test your smart mirror by asking Alexa a few questions to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations on successfully installing your smart mirror with Amazon Alexa. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.